I knew I wanted to work with children, and this course is such a varied course, and it picks up on different aspects of working with children.
They cover like maths, English and science, which is good for you to be a teacher. They look into psychology, play therapy. They really cover a lot of different aspects.
You can learn so many different things in so many different areas. It gives you a definite starting ground, and a good starting ground with more knowledge than you will ever need.
In your first year, it's more specific to core modules, and then when you get to your second and third year, you get to choose a bit more of what you want to specialise in.
It's really fun, interactive. They're constantly trying to find different ways to teach you, so it's very hands-on.
You can go into teaching, you can go into social work, you can go into play therapy, you can go into psychology. It's not specific to one individual thing. The lecturers are really passionate about what they teach, they're really enthusiastic.
They make you feel like you're not just a student, that you are a part of their family.
You get assigned a personal tutor at the start, which you keep for the 3 years.
And I think my favourite part of it that was I could go to her when I struggled, so with anxiety, with stress.
I definitely would recommend open days to other people. You get a sense of what this department has to offer, you get a sense of Aberystwyth itself as well.
From talking to people that were here, talking to the staff, seeing that people actually really enjoy it here and that there is a nice community feel to the town as well. It just, I don't know, it just made me fall in love with the place more.
As soon as I came here, I thought, yeah, this is the one, this is where I'm coming, so it helped me make that final decision.
You can come into this course and know that you don't have to go into teaching. You can go into social work, you can be an author. You do anything you want with what the course has given you, and it gives you so many opportunities to develop new skills, which I think personally is probably my most favourite part.